Hello everyone, it's Thanksgiving ceremony. Thanks so much for joining my cooking classes. My name is Lola Omobaba. A big thank you to all my fans, my friends and families. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button as you're watching my video. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be teaching you how to make Thanksgiving turkey. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. My turkey is ready. My veggies, all my spices are all ready. The vegetable oil, my green bell pepper, my onion, and my butter. After you have marinated your turkey for 48 hours, that's 2 days, remove the neck, the liver, the heart from the bottom of the turkey. Then take 1 chunk of butter, cut it into 2. Dip the half of the butter underneath the skin of the turkey. Make sure you spread it all around and dip it all the way down. Spread it and press it all the way down so that this will add more flavor to your turkey. The remaining half of the chunk of butter, dip it in the other side and spread it all the way down. Then measure 1/4 of your Knorr chicken powder, add it, spread it all the way down to the turkey. You have to lift the turkey up. Keep spreading the Knorr chicken powder all the way to the bottom and all the wings, the legs, and the thigh. Return it back to the normal position and let the breast face the upper side. That's about 1/4 of your Knorr chicken powder. Then cut your onion into 3 places. Place it underneath the turkey in the hole, inside the hole. Take your green bell pepper, remove the unwanted parts and the sticker, cut it into 3 also. Dip it in the hole. All this will add more juicy. So add more juice and make your turkey juicy. Then turn and put the wings underneath so that it will not burn too much whenever you're baking the turkey. Then measure half cup of oil, half cup of vegetable oil, and spread it all the way to the turkey, the legs, the thigh, the breast, the wings, all the way on your turkey. Also measure 1/8 of salt, 1/8 cup of salt. Spread it all the way to your turkey so as to add more taste to your turkey. Make sure you spread the salt all the way to the bottom of the turkey, all around the turkey. Tie the tie, get a string and tie all the tie together with the bottom of the turkey. Then transfer your turkey inside your baking pan or inside a foil pan that you're going to use to bake. Make sure you transfer the water, the sauce water, inside the baking pan. And also, you need to add more of the sauce, or you take the marinated water, add that marinated water that contains the Maggi and all the spices in it. Then cover it up with your foil paper. The foil paper purpose is to cook the turkey well, especially the inside. Open your oven and make sure your oven is already set to 400 degrees. Transfer your turkey into the oven for 1 hour. It has to stay there. For the first stage, it has to be there for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, you bring it out from the oven. Remove the foil paper from the turkey, from the roasted turkey. You can see that our turkey is halfway done. The turkey is looking so nice, but we need to get a golden brown color. So you're going to do the second stage. You add more water, at least half cup of water. Open your oven. Return your roasted turkey back into the oven. For another 1 hour for it to be very cooked, and you need a golden brown color. You can reduce your temperature to 300. Now the turkey is ready after 2 hours of baking. It is nice, it's cooked. Roasted turkey is ready. You can also check with a knife by dipping your knife underneath the thigh. Now start boiling your veggies. You have to boil it for 5 minutes in the microwave. Add half cup of water, and you can also add small salt, like half spoon salt. Place it in a microwave for 5 minutes. Turkey is ready. Roasted turkey, Thanksgiving roasted turkey is ready with all my veggies, my green pepper, my onions. Thanks so much for joining.